comfy vibe outfit. So I'm gonna pretend that I'm going to like a little campfire night with my friends. Oh, and I can only keep one from each spin. You already know I'm keeping the pants. I love that color. Like the light pink, I love it. Okay. I'm going to keep the water bottle because it's kind of the most neutral out of all of these. What? Oh god, I'm keeping the shoes. Okay, I'm keeping the backpack. This is not an ugly jacket, but it definitely doesn't match the pants. Okay, this isn't bad. This looks like I'm going to like soccer practice maybe. Not a campfire, but I wish I got the pink hoodie.